No. To James Airport. I'm gonna help him load some little planes into
What?
the bigaan sa Nabo.
What, Mom?
Yeah. My eyes, you're burning. Hello, James. I see you. I'm going now. Gonna land. Your your creations will be fine.
Bro, it's stuck.
No.
Yeah, it's gonna be not James.
But he is actually allowed. Oh no. Actually, zero weird guy joined.
Tell Foggy join.
67 Akel joined.
Can I get the push back tag?
Guys, I'm gonna land. I'm almost gonna land in it.
Where?
Look at the map, Luhan. I'm at near HMS. If I turn around, I can land there. The biggest fight approach ever.
Yeah. The largest.
What about A38? Yeah. What if Antonov?
Hmm.
Where are you, James? Wait for your other little creation. Wait for the other Derek plane. The other egg
I
plane.
forgot load is done. Bro, I cannot tap.
The little guy is in.
There you
Um,
are. I think it's a heavyweight.
why?
I think it's gotta be a little bit lagging.
James, come. To the Antonov. We're gonna put you into the games. I hope Kel Poggy doesn't get the Antonov. The Derek plane. It's so cute though.
What hell?
Oh,
James. 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 What
no,
hell?
don't get it! Don't get it! No! No, 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 no! No! Kel Poggy got it! No! Bro!
That's your problem, James. That's your James. What hell?